Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Hey there guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host as always, Victoria Fox, and this month I am fresh off of seeing Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom and from meeting Blue the Raptor at Universal Studios this week, and I'm happy to report that my obsession with Blue is alive now more than ever, and I just felt like she deserved a makeup, so that's what this is going on right here. You know, she's highly intelligent. I'm sure if she came across this video, she'd be very flattered. You're welcome. But let's get started. First, we're starting off with the basics: foundation, concealer, powder, and brows already on. Here I'm placing an aqua green eyeshadow on my upper lid and on my lower lash line with a small brush. Here I mixed Urban Decay's Hatter and Heads Will Roll. Now I'm applying a light gray to smoke out that aqua green along the outside of the shadow. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Anaheim with a small fluffy brush. Add a dark gray to your crease and blend it thoroughly. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Serious. To represent the gold in Blue's eyes, I'm now adding Besame Cosmetics gold eyeshadow from their Infinity War collection to the inner corners of my eyes. To make the green pop, I add the shimmery green from that same collection. Now add your favorite black eyeliner to create a wing on top of your lash line. Don't forget your favorite mascara either. Using a fluffy face brush, apply a peachy blush to your cheeks and nose. Here I'm using Tarte's Blush in Feisty. Using Maybelline's tattoo liner in blue, I'm now marking out blue's patterning starting at the corner of my eyes and working it down my neck into my chest. Here I use an actual picture of blue for reference. Now I'm adding the blue shadow from Bessame's Infinity War collection to the original blue to make it pop. I also added this color to the center of my eyeshadow to tie everything in. Blue has white lining the outside of her blue streaks, so I outlined my blue areas with white Meron Paradise paint and a thin detail brush. Once I outlined the shapes, I brought some white lines forward on my neck and chest, connecting and intersecting between the two blue streaks. This is also something that blue skin does. Here I'm adding a light gray liquid matte lip and adding to the center with a touch of the Besame Cosmetics blue and blending it out with a finger. Last but not least, add a highlight. Here I'm using IBY's 24 karat magic highlighter on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and brow bone. Looking like a clever girl to me. Well, here you have it, guys. Here is our finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in as always, and let me know if you have any requests, anything you'd like to see that's attraction based, anything pop culture based, movies, let a girl know. And I will see you next time. Bye!